โอเคสวัสดีครับเอาวันนั้นครับ
เจ้าแสง
lampu kakak.
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
A few moments later.
Good night, hello everyone. I am Naomi Yosephin Hutagalung. Here, I want to show all of you about some dialogue with my partner, my boyfie. His name is Angga Nobel in the restaurant in this part 1. So have a watching and enjoy the video. Waiters, good evening.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Good night, hello everyone. I am Naomi Yosephin Hutagalung.
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
A few moments later.
Oke, dah on nih.
Okay, part 1, restaurant dialogue.
Hello. Good night, miss. Welcome to our base in Nokem Cafe. May I take your order?
Good night. Yes, I'd like a beef burger and a glass of iced tea, please.
That's so nice. Would you like some fries with your burger?
Yes, please. That sounds great.
Alright. Is there anything else that would you like?
Could I also get some ketchup and extra napkins?
Of course. I will bring it them right away.
A few moments later.
Excuse me,
Yes.
can I get the bill, please?
Sure. Here is your bill. You can pay by cash or card.
I'll pay with cash. Thank you.
Of course, sure. Have a nice day.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Oke, สวัสดีครับเอาวันนั้นครับ
เจ้าแสง
โอเค
Here I come. Oh, here I come.